What do you do with your leftover orange peels? Most likely you toss them out without a second thought, but if you're trying to reduce your household's waste, don't be so quick to discard your peels. You can do so much more with orange peels than you might realize. This guide will look at the best uses for orange peels around the home. Orange peels in the kitchen. Add orange zest to recipes. Leftover orange peels are ideal for using in recipes that require orange zest. You'll just need a zester and a handful of fresh peels. It's common to add orange zest to cakes and tarts, but you could also get inventive. Who said you shouldn't use them as a delicious salad topper, for instance? Make a batch of orange marmalade. One of the most obvious culinary uses for orange peels is to make orange marmalade. The internet offers plenty of guidance if you've never made this sweet spread before. Put orange peel in your tea. There are plenty of citrus-flavored teas available to buy nowadays, but these are much more expensive than making your own. Brewing your tea with a piece of leftover orange peel will offer a tangy, citrusy flavor. Keep brown sugar soft. We've all kept brown sugar in a jar and opened it up one day to discover the sugar has formed a single, rock-solid clump. A simple solution to this problem is to put a leftover orange peel into the container, which will absorb the air, keeping your brown sugar soft. Infuse olive oil. Olive oil is delicious as it is, but if you've never infused ingredients into it, you're missing out. Add orange peels to a bottle filled with olive oil, then store for up to 3 weeks to allow the flavors to infuse. You can infuse orange peels into pretty much any substance that would benefit from the flavor. Honey is another ingredient that can have its flavor elevated by infused orange peels. Again, let it sit for several weeks for the tastiest results. Infuse ice cubes. Don't have the time to make your own batch of orange juice? You can still add the citrus flavor to your water by adding orange peel to your ice cubes. Once you've zested your peels, pour water into an ice cube tray and mix the peels into each cube. Freeze and enjoy. Make an orange peel marinade. Fans of Chinese food will agree that orange chicken or fish is delicious. You can make your own version of this dish with orange marinade. Just combine ground orange peel with rosemary, garlic, and thyme. Fish works best with orange peel, garlic, lemon, and dill. Next, let's look at orange peels for cleaning. All-purpose orange peel cleaner. If you don't like to use chemical cleaners in your home, making a homemade orange peel cleaner is a smart idea. This cleaner cleans, disinfects, and removes grease. You just need a handful of orange peels and a batch of distilled white vinegar. Wood polish. You can also use orange peels for wood polishing. The oils released by the peels can restore shine and bring wood back to its original state. No need to make a polish, just rub the inside of an orange peel directly onto your wooden surfaces. Orange peel bin or garbage disposal deodorizer. There's nothing more unpleasant than a stinky bin. Rather than emptying your bin at the first whiff, save your orange peels and add the peel to the bin liner when needed. The strong citrus odor will mask any other smells. Orange peel shoe freshener. Just like you can freshen your bin or garbage disposal with orange peel, you can do the same to your shoes. Simply place your leftover orange peels in a coffee filter and wrap an elastic band around the filter to secure it in place. Stick several holes into the coffee filter, letting the citrus scent leak out. Pop a filter in each smelly shoe to keep any nasty odors at bay. Orange peel fridge deodorizer. If you've accidentally let something spoil in the fridge, you'll need to get rid of the smell before it's absorbed by your other foods. A simple way to deodorize the area is to use orange peels combined with baking soda. The baking soda will absorb the bad smell, while the orange will replace it with a fresh citrus scent. Let's move on to orange peels for beauty. Homemade orange peel bath oil. There's nothing nicer than a relaxing soak in the bath, and bath oils can make the experience even more spa-like. Collect your leftover orange peels and add them to a container of coconut oil. Leave for at least a week to allow the flavors to infuse. Then pour a couple of drops of oil into your bath while it's running. DIY orange sugar scrub. Sugar scrubs are a big trend at the moment, but you don't have to spend your money on a costly product when you could make your own. Simply combine granulated sugar with orange peel-infused coconut oil and apply to your body before showering. DIY orange peel hair paste. For dry hair with split ends, natural ingredients like orange peels can provide shine and strengthen your strands. Simply grind your orange peels into a paste, then apply this to your hair. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then shampoo and wash as normal. Orange Peel Skin Serum. Vitamin C serum is a well-known product amongst skincare enthusiasts. This product is typically very expensive, and there's no need to pay for it when you use orange peel to make your own. Simply boil water containing orange peel, allowing the peel and the water to infuse. Then strain the liquid and store the vitamin C serum in a glass jar in the fridge. Apply daily as a part of your skincare routine. Orange Peel Breath Freshener. We already know that orange peel is ideal for freshening fridges and bins. It makes sense then that it can also freshen your breath. Orange peels are antibacterial, and chewing on them can help get rid of the bacteria that are responsible for bad breath. Orange peel for overall health. Fight high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Orange peel contains a flavonoid called hesperidin, which has been proven in studies to lower blood pressure. Additionally, hesperidin can help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, making orange peel an all-around heart-healthy ingredient. Relieve anxiety and depression. Citrus oils have long been known as effective natural mood boosters, favored for their calming effects. Orange peels can be used to relieve anxiety. Just release the oils by rubbing the peels on your temples. Orange Peel Hangover Tonic. You might not immediately think of orange juice if you're hungover, but it could be exactly what you need. Before you give in to an unhealthy cooked breakfast, see if you can perk yourself up with an orange peel tea. Just take a few peels and steep them in boiling water. Wait for the tea to cool slightly, then remove the peels and drink up. Finally, let's look at orange peels in the garden. Orange peel and compost. Composting your orange peels will benefit your whole compost heap thanks to the nitrogen content of the peels. Just don't add too many or you could kill the insects that help speed up decomposition. Orange peel for repelling slugs, mosquitoes, ants, and stray cats. There are many insects and pests that don't like the smell of citrus fruits. Spreading orange peel around your home's doors and windows should keep the pesky insects away. You can also use orange peel to repel slugs. Just coarsely grind the peels and sprinkle them on the soil around your plants. Another insect that doesn't enjoy the smell of orange peel is ants. If you're dealing with an ant problem, place a few orange peels around the area. This should send them away in no time. Finally, orange peel can repel stray cats from your garden. Cats can't stand the citrus smell, so placing orange peel around your outdoor space should keep them away. Orange peel bird feeder. Orange peel can make a fantastic holder for birdseed. Remove the peel from half an orange, making sure you don't flatten the peel in the process. Check that there's no fruit still inside the peel, then jab 3 holes near the top of the peel. Thread some string through the holes, then tie the feeder onto a bird table or tree. Add birdseed and wait for the birds to arrive. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 27 amazing health benefits and home uses of orange peels. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.